If you want to change the background in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps to update your document background, whether you want a clean white canvas, a custom color, or a darker theme for a more modern look. This is a really useful trick if you're making diagrams, flowcharts, wireframes, or presentations and want the design to match your style. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's jump into it. First, log into your Lucidchart account and open the document you want to edit. Once your file is open, make sure nothing is selected on the canvas. Just click on an empty area of the workspace to deselect everything. This is important because you want to make sure you're editing the document settings, not a shape or connector. Now, right-click on any blank space on the canvas. When the menu appears, look for Document Settings and click it. This opens the Settings panel where you can control different options for your page and canvas. If you don't see it right away, just make sure you clicked on empty space and not on an object in your diagram. Inside the Settings panel, look for the section called Canvas and the Page. Click that to open the background and page-related options. Here, you'll find the background color setting. Next to it, you should see a color box. Click that box to open the color palette. From here, you have a few choices. You can select one of the preset colors if you want something quick and simple. You can also enter a custom color code if you need a specific brand color or a matching design palette. If you're creating a dark theme diagram, choose a darker background color to make your layout stand out. This can be especially helpful for presentations, mock-ups, or visuals that need a more polished look. As soon as you choose your color, Lucidchart applies the change automatically. In most cases, you don't need to press a save button. Just close the settings panel and your updated background will already be there. That means you can keep working right away without any extra steps. If you want to fine-tune the look, take a moment to compare a few different background shades. Sometimes a lighter color works better for readability, while a darker tone can help certain shapes and text pop more clearly. The best option depends on the style of your diagram and how much contrast you want. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the background in Lucidchart in just a few clicks. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks and feels. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lucidchart tips and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.